Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, good afternoon and welcome. We are delighted to begin the Japan-India Joint Economic Forum here in New Delhi, India. My name is Haruka Maruyama, Senior Director of JETRO New Delhi. I have studied at IIT Guwahati under the Joint Degree Program, and I am truly honored to moderate this forum connecting Japan and India. To begin, please welcome Mr. Norihiko Ishiguro, Chairman and CEO of Japan External Trade Organization, JETRO, to deliver the opening remarks and MOU announcements.
Okay. Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, Honorable Prime Minister of Japan, Ms. Sanae Takaichi, Excellency, distinguished guests, and ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to you all. Namaste. I'm Norihiko Ishiguro, Chairman and the CEO of JETRO. It is a great honor for us to host this India-Japan Joint Economic Forum today in the distinguished presence of the Honorable Prime Ministers of India and Japan. Japan-India economic relations are now at an unprecedented high level. According to JETRO's survey, more than 80% of the Japanese companies operating in India are planning to expand their local business going forward. Today, we are pleased to announce 129 MOUs between Japan and India. Since the Japan-India Summit meeting held in August last year, investment in India has gained strong momentum, reaching approximately 2 trillion Japanese yen in new investment over the past year alone. Scope of these investments has expanded into advanced fields such as semiconductor, AI, quantum technology, while cooperation has also deepened in the area, including large-scale investment in clean energy such as green ammonia. We are confident that these developments will further accelerate business engagement between two countries. JETRO remains wholeheartedly committed to promoting Japan-India business relations. We sincerely hope that today's forum will open new and important avenues to further expand our economic ties. Thank you very much for gracing today's event with your presence. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ishiguro. Next, please welcome Mr. Tatsuo Yasunaga, Chairman, the Japan-India Business Cooperation Committee and Chair of Committee on the South Asia Keidanren, to deliver his remarks.
ありがとうございます。ナレンドラ・モディインド共和国首相閣下、高市早苗内閣総理大臣閣下、
Her Excellency, the Prime Minister of Japan, Takaichi Sanae, dear everyone present here, I am honored to receive the opportunity to speak a few words as the representative of the business world of Japan. In the present world, there is a deepening of confrontation and separation, and as a consequence, in this world, which is divided, and the industrial world is greatly shaken, and therefore, from such a situation, it is very important for Japan to strengthen the partnership with the global South. Within that also, India stands as a special strategic global partner for Japan and holds an indispensable position in the realization of the Indo-Pacific, free and open Pacific, Indo-Pacific. It is necessary that both India and Japan, by utilizing their respective strengths, embark on the road to economic growth as well as contribute towards the strengthening of the international economic system based on a legal order on the basis of cooperation with other countries such as African nations. Today, the fact that such a large number of representatives of Japanese companies are present here on the occasion of the visit of the Honorable Prime Minister of Japan, Takaichi Sanae, is the first step in that direction. action, and therefore, in my opinion, is an extremely significant event. And under the guiding idea of Make in India, Make for the World, postulated by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, by integrating the technological power and quality control management of Japan with the growth potential of India, one can look forward to the economic growth of not only India, but Africa and Middle East as well, and with that, opening up of the global markets. In reality, there are already developments in the direction of cooperation in the new areas of semiconductors. Approximately 1,400 Japanese companies have a strong presence in India and registered many success stories, but there are still many areas which are still available and opportunities of cooperation. From now onwards, it is important to expand extensively a variety of areas of cooperation, including in the fields of medium and small-scale industries. In addition to that, from the viewpoint of the economic security, cooperation in the important areas of semiconductors, AI, critical minerals, green energy, they are required to be strengthened. And along with that, we, as a business world, we continue to work in the direction of realization of the goal of an investment of 10 trillion yen in the next 10 years, as well as exchange of human resources to the tune of 500,000 people. This is what we plan to do. Today's forum is therefore expected to provide an opportunity to further deepen the relationship between India and Japan and open up a new horizon of cooperation. With these words, I would like to conclude my brief introductory remarks on the occasion of this India-Japan Economic Forum.
Next,
Thank you.
please welcome Mr. R. Mukundan, President of CII and Managing Director and CEO of Tata Chemicals Limited, to deliver his remarks.
Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, Your Excellency, Madam Honorable Prime Minister of Japan, Sanae Takaichi, Excellencies, distinguished ministers, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I'm indeed deeply honored to be at this forum in the esteemed presence of our two countries' leadership. I eagerly look forward to your distinguished addresses on shaping the future course of India-Japan bilateral relations. From the industry and business communities of India and Japan, we express our gratitude. India and Japan today share a special strategic and global partnership founded on mutual trust, shared democratic values, and a common vision for a free, open, and prosperous Indo-Pacific. Our partnership is steadily expanding across economic, technological, strategic domains, making it one of the most enduring and forward-looking bilateral relationships. Thank you, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, for leading us to this relationship spread over many, many years. India and Japan partnership is anchored in 8 key pillars, including economic partnership, economic security, technology and innovation, sustainability, mobility, health and people-to-people exchange, and state-of-perfecture cooperation. The meetings of both our leaders have enabled us in business to advance collaboration in priority areas such as digital transformation, critical minerals, space, energy, and human resource development. Ladies and gentlemen, the CII has maintained long-standing engagement with Japan through sustained business interactions, institutional partnerships, and industry platforms, including JETRO, JICA, Kaidan-REN, and JBIC. Some thoughts, Your Excellencies, Honorable Prime Ministers, for your consideration for furthering the opportunities for collaboration and cooperation, to especially facilitate investments and joint venture partnerships. First, there is a significant scope to open up because India and Japan Clean Energy Partnership further. Building on this, we deepen cooperation in electric mobility, battery storage, green hydrogen, carbon capture technologies, and renewable energy systems. Excellencies, we would like to establish a structured India-Japan Clean Technology Working Group under IGBLF to further these ideas and projects. Second, a strategic opportunity lies in expanding India-Japan Digital Partnership 2.0, particularly in emerging technologies such as AI, robotics, quantum computing, and advanced manufacturing. Here, India's strong IT ecosystem and talent base can complement Japan's technological leadership. As CII, we would continue to play a bridging role by connecting innovation ecosystems, facilitating venture partnerships, and supporting adoption of Industry 5.0 and smart manufacturing solutions. We would work on entire spectrum, more especially with our MSMEs. Third, skill development has been a key pillar of our partnership, supported by initiatives such as Technical Internship Training Program, TITP, and Specified Skill Worker Framework. We have facilitated from CII over 800 placements, and we see strong potential to scale this further through structured industry partnerships and targeted skill program aligned with future technologies. We shall further deepen this. We keenly look forward to your guidance of both our leaders. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mukunda. Now, it is my pleasure to introduce the inauguration of Maruti Suzuki new facility in Calcutta. Now, I invite the Representative Director and President, Suzuki Motor Corporation, Mr. Toshihiro Suzuki, to share his thoughts.
Your Excellencies, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and Prime Minister Ms. Sanae Takaichi. Namaskar. Konnichiwa. It is a great honor for us as you inaugurate our most advanced car manufacturing factory at Calcutta, Haryana. From current capacity of 500,000 units, the plant will be further scaled to 1 million units, making it one of the largest car plants of the world. It is, thank you. It is a testament to the success of India-Japan partnership and Make in India initiatives. With favorable policy environment under Prime Minister Mr. Modi's leadership, Suzuki is accelerating investments, employment, export, and technologies towards Viksit Bharat journey. Dhanyawad. ありがとうございました。Now, it is my honor to invite the Honorable Prime Ministers of both nations to inaugurate our Calcutta vehicle manufacturing factory.
Congratulations, Maruti Suzuki, on this remarkable achievement. Next, it is my great honor and privilege to invite Ms. Sanae Takaichi, Honorable Prime Minister of Japan, to deliver her remarks. Honorable Prime Minister, the floor is yours.
モディ首相、そして日印、両国の産業界の皆様、こんにちは。 本日、日本を代表する150社以上の
Today,
企
there
業
are
の
more
皆
than
様と共に、
150countries
このデリーの地
which are
で、
participating
こうやって
in this
お会い
forum.
できること大変よろし
And
く思い
I
ま
am
す。
able to
2007
participate here, feel very
安
happy
倍
to do
晋
so.
三総理は
In
ここインドにおい
2007, the
て
then Prime
二つ
Minister
の
Shinzo
海の
Abe
交わり
delivered
という
his
演
historic
説を
speech,
行いました。
The Confluence of the Two Seas, here in India. In that address, he presented a visionary concept linking the Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean as the seas of freedom
自由で開かれた
and
インド太平洋ポイプの
prosperity.
源流が生まれた地で
This
ございます。
India is the very
世界
place
が保護主義の台頭や経済的
the vision of
威
today's
圧、
free and open
地
Indo-Pacific
学的
was
緊
born.
張の高まりによって大
Today,
き
as
な
the
試
world
練
enters in an
の
era
時
of
代を
profound
迎えている
challenges
今、
marked by the
地
rise
域
of
の自立
protectionism,
性と
economic
強
coercion,
靭性を
and
高める
growing
ことが
geopolitical
不可欠
tensions,
で
it has
ござい
become
ます。
essential to
このた
strengthen
め私は
regional
本
autonomy
年5
and
月
resilience.
ポイプをさらに進化さ
With
せ
this in mind, in
共
May
に
this year,
強く
I
豊かに
proposed
な
a
る
further
とい
revolution
う
of
理念を
FIPE
掲げまし
founded
た。
on the ground
自
principle
立性と
of
強靭
growing
性を獲
stronger
得す
and
る
more
この理
prosperous
念は
together.
モディ首相の
This vision, centered on the twin principles of autonomy and resilience, also resonates deeply with
日
Prime
本
Minister
とインド
Modi's
は
Mahasagar
地域を支
initiative.
える二大民主主義国家と
As
し
the
て
two leading
法の支
democracies
配を
supporting
堅
the region,
持し、い
Japan
か
and
な
India
る威
will
圧
further
にも
deepen
屈
their
することなく
cooperation to
自由
uphold the
を
rule
守
of
り
law,
繁栄を作り、そして未
stand
来を
firm against
切り
every
開く
form
ため
of
に
coercion,
より一
safeguard
層連
freedom,
携を
create
深めてまい
prosperity,
ります。
and together shape
そ
the
の中
future.
でもエネルギー安全保障
Among
は
the
最
many
も
areas of
重要な
cooperation,
協
energy
力分
security
野
is
の
one of the
一つ
most
です。
important at
先
the
日の
important
G7 サ
area
ミ
at
ッ
the
トにおい
recent
て
G7 summit.
私は
I
自由で
presented
透明な
three
エネルギー貿
principles,
易の
three
確保、
proposals to
備
strengthen
蓄の
energy
強化、
security,
そして
ensuring
三
free and
省連
transparent energy
携
trade,
からなるエネル
enhancing
ギー
trade,
の安全保障について
strategic
の
energy
3つの提案
stockpiles,
を行いました。
and
そし
promoting
て今、
cooperation
私
between
たちは
producing and
パワーア
consuming
ジアを
countries.
通じてその具体化に
Through
取
the
り組
Power
んで
Asia
います。
initiative, we are
今
working
後、日
to
本とインドは
translate
石
this
油
vision
備蓄強化を含む
into
新たな協力を通じ
concrete
て地域のエネルギー安全保障
to
を共に
ensure
支えていく。
Going forward, Japan and India will jointly strengthen regional energy security through
ま
new
た、
areas of
日
cooperation,
印
including
企業
enhanced
が
petroleum
年間
stockpiling. This
40
initiative
万
is
トン
founded
規模
upon
の
that
グリー
very
ンアンモ
vision.
ニア生
In
産事
addition,
業を
Japanese and
推
Indian
進
companies
しま
will
す。
jointly advance a green
これ
ammonia
が
production
両
project
国
with
の
an annual
新たな
capacity of
エネルギー安
approximately
全保
4
障
lakh
協
tons.
力の
I
象徴とな
sincerely
るこ
hope
と
that
を
this
願
project
って
will
い
become
ます。
a symbol of new
さら
chapter
に
in energy
私は
security
インド
cooperation
農村部
between
に
our
眠
two
る
countries.
膨大な未利用バイオ
Further,
バイオマス資源
My attention has been drawn to the vast
しています。
biomass
すなわち
resources available
牛
in
糞
India's
稲
rural
わら
areas that remain
サトウキビ
largely
酸素
underutilized.
などで
These
ござい
include
ます。
cattle dung,
実
rice
は
straw,
この発想は
sugarcane residue,
新しいも
and
のではありませ
other
ん。
agricultural
モデ
biomass.
ィ首相
In
が
fact, this is
長
not a new
年
idea. For
に
many
わたり
years, Prime Minister
共同
Modi
組
has
合の
promoted a
力を
vision
活用
of
して
converting
農
rural
村
resources
資源
into
をエネ
energy
ルギーに
by harnessing
転
the
換
strength
する
of
構想を
cooperative
推
institutions.
進してこられました。私はこの構想
I
こそが
firmly
イン
believe
ドの
that
農
this
村
vision
と
holds
エ
the
ネル
key
ギー
to
の未
opening a
来
new
を切り
future for
開
both
く鍵
rural
である
development
と
and
確信してい
energy
ます。
security
この
in
ため
India.
モディ首相と私は
Based on
新
this
たなプロ
shared
ジェ
vision,
クトとして
Prime Minister
共
Modi
同
and I
組
have
合を
agreed
活
to
用し
launch
て牛糞
the
などから
Japan
エ
India
ネルギーを得
CBG
る
initiative as a
日
new
印
joint project
CBG
through cooperative
イニシアティブを
institutions.
立ち上げ
This
ることで
initiative will
合
promote
意し
the
ました。
production of
今後、
energy
インド
from
全土
cattle
に
dung and
1000
other
基
biomass
もの
resources
バ
in
イ
the
オ
form
ガ
of
スプラントを
compressed
整備するという
biogas,
インドの目標達成
CBG
に貢献してまいります。さらに今般合意した協力推奨を通
We
じ
have agreed
250万台規模のそのバイオガスを使
for
う
biogas generation.
CNG 車
Through the letter of intent signed today, we should jointly create a market of approximately 2.5 million CNG vehicles
そして
powered by
エネルギ
this
ー分野にと
biogas.
どまらず、こうした協力の裾野が広がっており、その担い手が
Our cooperation is no longer confined to the energy sector alone. The scope of this partnership continues continues to expand, and the range of stakeholders involved is becoming increasingly diverse, encompassing startup as well as small and medium enterprises. On this occasion, we are pleased to announce approximately 129 private sector cooperation agreements. Together with these investments, exceeding 2 trillion Japanese yen. Today, an increasing number of Japanese companies are using India as a base for expanding their engagement with Africa. Under the framework of the FOIP, we will extend this new model of growth developed by Japan and India two countries across the global south, including Africa, Asia, and Latin America. By joining forces, Japan and India will pursue the shared vision of growing stronger and more prosperous together. Guided by this principle, our two countries will work together to shape the future of the Indo-Pacific as well as global south. Let's work together. Thank you very much for your kind attention.
Thank you very much, Honorable Prime Minister. Next, it is my distinguished honor to invite Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Prime Minister of India, to the stage. Honorable Prime Minister, the floor is yours.
Your Excellency, मेरी छोटी बहन प्रधानमंत्री ताकाईची जी, दोनों देशों के बिजनेस लीडर्स, नमस्कार, कोनिचिवा। भारत जापान जॉइंट इकोनॉमिक फोरम में आप सभी के बीच आकर मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है। आप में से कई कंपनियां भारत के साथ लंबे अरसे से जुड़ी हैं, कुछ तो 100 साल से पहले से हैं, और जो नए साथी इस फोरम के साथ जुड़ रहे हैं, मैं उन्हें भारत जापान सक्सेस स्टोरी का भाग बनने पर हार्दिक बधाई देता हूं। फ्रेंड्स, भारत जापान संबंध वाकई बहुत स्पेशल है। हमारी इकोनॉमिक पार्टनरशिप की सफलता के कई उज्जवल उदाहरण हैं। अभी अभी हमने हरियाणा के खरखौदा में मारुति सुजुकी के नए प्लांट का उद्घाटन किया। आज पूरे विश्व में सुजुकी की 2/3 कार्स भारत में बनती हैं और 100 से अधिक देशों को एक्सपोर्ट होने जा रही है। प्रधानमंत्री ताकाई जी, मुझे बताया गया है कि आपको मोटर बाइक का बहुत शौक है। हमें बहुत खुशी है कि कावासाकी, यामाहा और होंडा की बाइक्स भी भारत में आज विश्व भर में एक्सपोर्ट होती हैं। इसी तरह एयर कंडीशनर हो या पावर ग्रिड इक्विपमेंट प्रिसिजन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हो या मेडिकल टेक्नोलॉजी, जब जापान की एक्सपर्टीज और इन्वेस्टमेंट भारत के स्पीड और स्केल के साथ जुड़ती हैं तो पूरी दुनिया को फायदा होता है। फ्रेंड्स, आज आर्थिक दुनिया सप्लाई चेन में रुकावटें, ट्रेड में अनिश्चितता और ग्लोबल डिमांड में गिरावट से जूझ रही है। लेकिन जैसे कहा जाता है, when the going gets tough, the tough get going। भारत विश्व की फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग मेजर इकोनॉमी है। पिछले फाइनेंशियल ईयर में भारत की जीडीपी ग्रोथ 7.7% रही। इतना ही नहीं, पिछले 12 वर्षों में हम भारत में काइजन फिलॉसफी यानी कंटिन्यूअस इंप्रूवमेंट अपनाते हुए अपनी इकोनॉमिक डीएनए को ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रहे हैं। कुछ ही महीने पहले हमने टैक्सेशन, गवर्नेंस और ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस के लिए नेक्स्ट जनरेशन रिफॉर्म्स किए। हम हर क्षेत्र को प्राइवेट सेक्टर के लिए खोल रहे हैं और कई महत्वपूर्ण सेक्टर्स में इंसेंटिव दे रहे हैं, जिसका लाभ आप सभी उठा सकते हैं। और यही कारण है कि लगातार पिछले 4 वर्षों से जापान बैंक फॉर इंटरनेशनल कोऑपरेशन JBIC का सर्वे दिखाता है कि भारत जापानी बिजनेस के लिए मोस्ट प्रॉमिसिंग डेस्टिनेशन रहा है। आज मैं आप सभी के साथ साझा करना चाहता हूं, मेरा ऑफिस यानी PMO का दफ्तर एक डेडिकेटेड जापान बिजनेस वीक का आयोजन करेगा। इसमें PMO के वरिष्ठ अफसर आपके साथ विचार विमर्श करेंगे, बैठेंगे, आपकी समस्याओं को समझने के लिए और ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस और बढ़ाने के लिए आपसे खुले मन से चर्चा करेंगे। फ्रेंड्स, आज प्राइम मिनिस्टर ताकाइची और मैंने अपने साझेदारी को और भी गतिशील और गहरा करने का निर्णय लिया है। हमने इकोनॉमिक सिक्योरिटी, AI, डिफेंस, हेल्थ जैसे अनेक विषयों पर एग्रीमेंट किए, जिससे यह पार्टनरशिप फ्यूचरिस्टिक और लिमिटलेस बन जाएगी। हमारी सरकारों के बीच स्ट्रेटेजिक सिनर्जी है, कॉन्फिडेंस है और सबसे बड़ी बात क्लैरिटी है। अब इसे आउटकम्स में बदलने की जिम्मेदारी आप सभी पर है। फ्रेंड्स, आप सबको मिलकर यह सुनिश्चित करना है कि अगले 1 दशक में जापान से भारत में निवेश 10 ट्रिलियन येन के टारगेट को भी पार करे और भारत में जापानी कंपनीज की संख्या भी 10 वर्ष में डबल हो जाए। फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपके समक्ष एक विजन रखना चाहता हूं। मैं एक ऐसा विश्व देखता हूं जहां जापान की टेक्नोलॉजी और भारत का मार्केट पोटेंशियल मिलकर सेमीकंडक्टर, फार्मा और क्रिटिकल मिनरल्स में दुनिया को रिजिलिएंट सप्लाई चेन प्रस्तुत करे दे। जहां जापान का कैपिटल और भारत की एम्बिशन मिलकर शिप बिल्डिंग, मोबिलिटी और क्लीन एनर्जी में नई ग्लोबल लीडरशिप तैयार करे, जहां भारत और जापान के स्टार्टअप से AI, क्वांटम और बायोटेक में विश्व के नेक्स्ट जनरेशन सॉल्यूशंस आए और एरोस्पेस और डिफेंस में अभूतपूर्व सहयोग से हम ग्लोबल सिक्योरिटी में योगदान मजबूत करें। फ्रेंड्स, आइए ट्रस्ट और ऑप्टिमिज्म से भरी इस साझेदारी से म्यूचुअल ग्रोथ और ग्लोबल गुड का मार्ग प्रशस्त करें। जैसे टोयोटा वाले कहते हैं, आइए मिलकर लेट अस गो प्लेसेस। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you very much, Honorable Prime Minister. Ladies and gentlemen, may I kindly request your attention as their excellencies will now depart the venue. May I kindly request everyone to remain seated and join us in a huge round of applause as they take their leave.